Buongiorno a tutti! Thanks for joining me again in my little kitchen here in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name is Francesco and today I've got another simple recipe using eggplant which is totally easy and very healthy and delicious. What I'm going to do is first grill them on a griddle pan to get them nice and scorched, then spread them with pesto, add a slice of tomato on top, some oregano and pecorino cheese. Finish them in the oven and then serve them with a simple side salad of rucola. So it's a very simple recipe but colourful, delicious and healthy. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, come back and follow me for more. Let's cook. For today's recipe you are going to need eggplant, tomato, pesto, oregano, grated pecorino cheese and rucola. Top and tail the eggplant and cut it into nice thick slices about the thickness of your finger. Cut the tomato into nice thick slices too. You want one slice of tomato for each slice of eggplant. Make sure to get your griddle nice and hot and then lay out the eggplant. Press down on the surface of the eggplant to squeeze out its juice and to let it cook more quickly. This way you're also going to get some nice scorch marks on the bottom. Season with salt and pepper to taste. After 3 or 4 minutes, flip the eggplant over and repeat the seasoning on the other side. Keep pressing down on the eggplant to squeeze out the juice so that you make sure to get lots of nice scorch marks on the back and that it cooks through evenly. You'll see the eggplant change color as the moisture inside of it starts to heat up and the eggplant begins to soften. When it becomes slightly golden like this, it's good to go. Now we just need to put the eggplant and tomato slices together. Lay them out on your cutting board, and the first thing you're going to add is the pesto, a nice generous amount on each slice. Do it while the eggplant is hot so that it absorbs the flavour and becomes nice and moist. Now, lay a slice of tomato on top of each slice of eggplant. Sprinkle with oregano and season with a little salt. Now that the tomatoes are seasoned, all we need to do is sprinkle them generously with some grated pecorino cheese and they'll be ready to go into the oven at 180 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. Add a little olive oil to your baking surface so that they don't stick. I served mine simply on a bed of rucola which I laid out on my dish decoratively, and then I laid the slices on top. Nice and hot. And quite delicious. All the rucola needs is a sprinkle of salt, a drizzle of olive oil, and a little bit of oregano, and you're good to go. Buon appetito!